Hello, I'm Linda. Now take a look at this sample. This is a double-ended terminal wire. This machine is for this line. Then I'd like to ask Mr. Huang, what is the wire diameter range of our machine?
The range is from number 30 to number 12.
Well, it's a wide range because ordinary terminal machines may only be able to work on lines 14 to 28. Then lines 12 and 30 are finer. There are machines that can't do that. So why can we do it?
Because we use high-precision terminal machines. It's powerful and precise, so it can press both small and large terminals.
Then what is the difference between our terminal machine and the ordinary silent terminal machine? Because ordinary silent terminal machines are also cheap. So what are the advantages of our machine?
The first of these steels used are mold steels. It is constructed with a miniature slot design, and it's replacement-free. The slider inside uses an impulse bearing, not just any copper bushings, so it goes smoother and more precise. Our pressure is regulated from above. Precision can be adjusted up to 3 filaments in one frame. Our punch is stationary, so it ensures the stability of the regulation.
So one is that we use mold steel. The second is that the precision is very well adjusted. Just twist like this. Our machine is a frequency inverter silent terminal machine. So what's the pressure on it?
Can be up to 3 tons.
And how accurate is it?
Our machine adopts Taiwan's TPI and Shanjian screw guide transmission. Our drives are Mitsubishi servo motor drives. So it doesn't matter if it's a big line or a small line, the accuracy is very high.
How many Mitsubishi servo motors do we use?
5 sets. Knife holder, stripping, terminal crimping, it's all servos.
And what's the speed of our machine?
Between 4,200 to 4,800 pieces per hour.
What's the length of that cutting line?
Cutting line length 25 millimeters to 10 meters.
What kind of clientele do we typically have?
Home appliances, cars, etc.
Who are interested in the quality of wiring harnesses. Okay, our customers are worried about how well the machine is tuned.
It's very easy to operate. It doesn't have much to regulate. It's all digitally adjustable. The main parameters you need to adjust are wire length, stripping length.
What about our machine in terms of noise?
The noise level is low, because it uses all silk rod servos.
So let's demonstrate. Take a look at the noise of our machines.
It's not that the machine doesn't have a sound, it's mostly the sound of the molds. You see, there's no sound when a machine moves.
Okay, so this machine is very quiet. As we can see in this machine, this terminal disc is hanging down. Why is that?
First, if it hangs higher up, some people are shorter and he can't hang. If it's padded, there's a risk of falling, right? It hangs well underneath. The second advantage is that it won't crush the rivet corners. And here's another advantage. By hanging it below, it has a wider field of view and won't interfere with our ability to hang the molds.
We've got a disc hanging in the back here. This one is a direct feed terminal. So if the terminals are delivered direct, we'll give the customer these 2 arms, right?
Yes.
We have a machine that delivers straight and sideways. Okay, let's take a look at the electrical box. We use Mitsubishi servo motors for all our motors. How many watts is this?
The others are 400 watts and the wire feed is 100 watts.
So this is a PLC?
Yes, we use PLCs for our control systems.
And all our wires are threaded through numbered tubes. It's also very good for troubleshooting. Okay, thank you.